bachcho, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. So now let's start the class and the topic is playing with Tux Paint. Log into the chapter Tux Paint window, Tux Paint tools, saving drawing, exiting Tux Paint. Unlock the mind, complete the picture and color it. Tux Paint is a free drawing program designed for children. It is an easy to use program which has lot of tools, animations and effects to enhance your creativity in drawing. So Tux Paint is basically for children so they can play with the drawing and they can draw the drawing, and it has many characters, it has many tools जैसे animations, effects to enhance your creativity in drawing. Tux mascot penguin guides you as you draw. So the mascot, that is penguin, always guides you what you want to draw and what you don't want to draw. It helps you in every way. We have learned the basics of Tux Paint in the previous class. Now we will learn more about it. Tux Paint window. We have already learned that how to start the Tux Paint program. In previous class, we had learned about how to start Tux Paint program. When Tux Paint loads, at first, a title start up screen will appear. Once the title screen loading is complete, after few seconds, the title screen will go away automatically and main screen appears. Whenever we start the Tux Paint, the title screen will appear. Toolbar. It contains a variety of tools. We can see that in Tux Paint window, the toolbar, what its work is, it has a lot of variety of tools. Up and down arrows. Click on these arrows to see more symbols. Whenever you need to see symbols for your drawing, you need to up and down the arrows. Selector. It is used to select the desired option. The selector is useful for whatever you want to select, your desired options you will select with the help of selector. Help area. It gives you tips and details of the selected tools. Whenever you need to help, you need to know about your tools, you can go on help area, it will help you out. Drawing canvas. This space is used for drawing. This space is for your drawing. Colors palette. It contains the colors. Whatever color you need to choose, you want to choose, you have to go in colors palette. Tux Paint tools. In our previous class, we have already learned to use some of the tools in Tux Paint. Now we will learn about some other tools. So the first one is Shapes tool. This tool is used to draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. We can fill color in unfilled shapes. To use the Shapes tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Select the required shape from the selector pane. Step 3. Choose any color in the colors palette. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse to stretch the shape out from the point where we clicked. Step 5. The outline of the shape appears on the canvas along with the rotation handle. Rotate the shape by moving the mouse. So bachcho, there is some other tools in Tux Paint tools, that is called Shapes tool. So whenever you need to fill that some unfilled area, you have to color that unfilled shapes. So to use this shape tool, how to follow these steps? So the step 1 is you need to select the Shapes tool in toolbox. After that, the required shape from selector pane you need to select, and then from colors palette you choose any color, whichever you want. And then step 4, drag the mouse with the selected color and point where we clicked. And then 5, you need to outline the shape appears on canvas and you need to moving the mouse with that particular point. Now it's text tool. The text tool is used to add text, captions and titles to the drawing. To use the text tool, follow these steps. Step 1, click on the text tool in the toolbox. Step 2, select the letter type in the selector pane. We can increase or decrease the size of the text using the up and down arrows. And in step 3, choose a color from the colors palette. Step 4, bring the mouse pointer to the canvas and click. A blinking line appears. The blinking line is known as the cursor. Step 5, type the desired text. Once done, press the enter key. So बच्चों, what is text tool? It is a tool when you need to add some text, captions or titles in drawing. You need to use the text tool. How can we use it? So you need to follow these steps. So you need to select on text tool in toolbox, and then in step 2, you need to select the letter type in selector pane, and then you can increase or decrease the size of the text and with the use of up and down arrows. And then you need to choose the color, whichever color you want from the colors palette, and then you need to bring the mouse to the canvas with the use of mouse pointer and click. You will see that a blinking line appears there, and that blinking line is cursor. After that, you need to type the desired text. Whatever text you want to type, you need to type, and once it done, you need to press the key, enter key. Now it's magic tool. The magic tool is used to give special effects to our drawing. When we select the magic tool, it displays various magical effects on the drawing canvas. Follow the given steps to use the magical tool. Step 1, click on the magical tool. Step 2, select the loops effect. Step 3, click and drag the pointer to draw a loop. And so, children, what is magic tool? It is a tool whenever you want to give a special effect in your drawing, you need to use the magic tool. So, here are these steps. So, in step 1, you need to click on magic tool and then select the loops effect, and then you need to click and drag the pointer to the drawing loop. Now test yourself. Which tool is used to display a magical effect on drawing canvas? And that is magical tool. So now children, it's time to saving drawing. How can we save our drawing? So let's learn about that. We can save our drawings before closing the Tux Paint program. We have to and we can save our drawings before cutting or closing the Tux Paint program. Click on the Save tool in the toolbar to save the drawing. A message appears in the Help area. Your image has been saved. Whenever you want to save the drawing, you have to go on toolbar and press the Save button, and the message will appear on your screen with your image has been saved. If you make any changes in your saved drawing, the below screen will appear. Now it's exiting Tux Paint. How can we exit the Tux Paint? How can we cancel this? So let's learn about that. To close the Tux Paint window, follow these steps. Step 1 is click on the Quit tool in the toolbox. Step 2, a confirmation dialog box will be displayed. Click on the Yes button. Step 3, another message box appears asking us to save our drawing if we have not saved it. Click on the appropriate option. So, we need to follow this step to close our Tux Paint window. So, the step 1 is you need to go on toolbox and click on the quit tool, and then the confirmation dialog box will appear on your display. Click on the yes button, and then step 3, some other message will appear on your screen, and that is if you want to save or not. So, you need to click on yes button to save your drawing. So, now restart in short. Tux Paint is an easy and interesting painting program, and it is for specially children's. Tux Paint provides a variety of tools to create beautiful drawings, to observe your creativity. The text tool is used to add text, captions and titles in the drawings. You can use these tools to improve your creativity in drawing. The magic tools is used to add a lot of effects to our drawings. The save tool is used to save a drawing. Quit tool is used to close the Tux Paint window. Now children, it's time to test your brain. Tick right the correct option. Which tool is used to add text in Tux Paint? It is text tool. Which tool is used to add special effects? It is magic. Which of the following is not a sub-tool of magic tool? It is grass. It is bricks. It is undo. It shows different things like brushes and stamps depending on the control tools. Yes, it is new button. It is toolbar. Correct. It is selector. Fill in the blanks using the given words. The dash tool closed the Tux Paint window. It is quit. To add text to a drawing, use the text tool. Dash is used to give special effects to our drawing. It is magic tool. Write T for true and F for false statements. Tux Paint is used to type articles and letters, and it is wrong. It is false. Tux Paint has a very easy to use interface. Right. Wrong. To color a drawn picture, we use the fill tool. False. This is wrong. This is true. We cannot save a drawing in Tux Paint. This is false. Answer the following questions. How will you add special effects to your drawing? With the help of magic tool. Can you add different shapes in the Tux Paint? Write the steps to add shapes in Tux Paint. So, filled and unfilled shapes can be drawn in different colors and at various angles using the shapes tool. The stamp tool allows a wide array of pre-drawn and photorealistic images to be added to a drawing. Write the steps to exit the Tux Paint. With the help of quit tool, you can exit to the Tux Paint tool. What is the use of the text tool? So, the uses of the text tool is the original text entry tool in Tux Paint. Text entered using this tool can be modified or moved later since it becomes part of the drawing. Now children, it's time to fun time activity. Trace the given tools of Tux Paint and write their names. This is fill tool, this is save, magical tool and this is lines. चिल्ड्रंस, आई होप आज की जो क्लास थी, आज की एक्सरसाइज आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गई होगी. अब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा.